Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is my very first YouTube video. It took me a lot of courage to make this video, but being 100% completely honest with you, I've had a passion for YouTube for a very long time. However, I just never had the courage to come on here and finally film a video. That being said, I created this Cranberry Smoky eye. It's fairly subtle, so it's not too much. If you would like to learn how to do this look or just be inspired by this look, please keep on watching. So let's get started. First thing I always start with is by prepping my skin. For moisturizer, I did use my Bobbi Brown Hydrating Face Cream. So first things first, I'm going to just be using my NYX eyeshadow base. So it's just like a neutral eyeshadow base. My MAC paint pot, soft ochre, dried out, and I didn't realize that I forgot to put the cap on. So great, it is completely dried out now. Awesome, so now our eyelids are primed. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my first two shadows. I'm going to be taking my favorite blending brush, the M441 by Morphe palette in the 3502 palette. I'm going to go ahead and take this color right here and the third to last color in the top row as a transition color. I'm going to go ahead and take that color and just slowly start going from right to left. And you're just going to go ahead and start blending in. I'm going to go ahead and take Heat Double and layer that right on top of the transition color that I have just put. So in the same windshield wiper motions, you want to go ahead and start layering right on top of that transition color that I just did. Now I'm just going to go back in with a clean M441, which is the same Morphe one that I was using. Blend those two colors right now that we have just applied. Next, with that same pointer brush that I was using earlier to apply Heat Double, we're going to go ahead and apply Cayenne and In Fuego mixed together. Now I'm going to be going in with the darkest color for this eye look, and it's going to be Ashes, and that's the same, it's the second to last. And with Ashes now I will be applying it to just the outer corner, and I'm going to go ahead and slowly keep blending that in. A little bit of that same transition color that we used earlier from the Morphe palette, I'm going to go ahead and take that right on top of that crease color that I put, which was Ashes, and I'm going to start slowly blending that in. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Urban Decay Vice palette. I'm going to be mixing Sonic and Alchemy? Alchemy? Is that how you say it? So taking Alchemy and Sonic, I'm going to go start applying that on my lid. So once I've applied that lid color, I'm just going in back with a little bit with Heat Double and blending that back in to the lid color. Now for this look, I wasn't going to do a thick heavy winged liner, but I am going to be just lining just the top of it. Now I'm going to be applying lashes. I'm taking one of my favorite lashes. They are by Allure. I believe these are called Opulence. One of my favorite lashes. I just love how nice, long, and wispy they are. So my lashes are now tacky. I'm going to go ahead and just set them in the middle. We're going to take the outer corner and press it in, and take the inner corner. So now just taking a little bit of mascara, and this one I'm using Estee Lauder's Sumptuous Bold Mascara. Alright guys, next thing we're going to be moving on to the face. For my face, I'm going to be using my current favorite foundation right now, which is the Urban Decay Naked Skin. This is in the color 4.0. I'm mixing this with my Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade 240. So this is the Cover FX brush, and I'm just going to be going in and blending this all out. Taking my wet beauty blender, I'm just going to dab right over that foundation that I've just blended out. Next thing I'm going to be taking is my Lancome Teint Ideal Ultra Wear. This is the Ultra Wear High Coverage Concealer. I have been so obsessed with this concealer lately. That was just lightly applied under my eye. Now I'm going to go ahead back in with my damp beauty blender and just blend this out. Now once the concealer is done, I am going to be cream contouring my face. Now for cream contour, I'm just using a dark foundation color. I really like this foundation color just for a contour, just because it had more warmer undertones as opposed to cool undertones. But it is the Maybelline 340 foundation. Now this would be too dark for my skin. This is clearly why I use it to contour my face. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that color that I've applied. Now to set my under eye, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite translucent setting powder, which is the Ben Nye Banana Powder. I swear with this powder, I've tried so many powders. I've tried the Lauren Mercier powder, I've tried the Airspun powder, I've tried so many other powders, but I always come back to this one. First I put a little bit in just to set the concealer, and then on top of that I go in back with a second layer. It looks like it's a lot. My face will look like I have art on it, aka flour, but it's all gonna get dusted off, so you won't even be able to see it. I'm taking my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. This is one of my favorite bronzers. This is a cooler tone bronzer, but I just love it because it just adds a little bit of a depth. Now that baking that I did, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a flat brush and I'm going to just clean it off. Next, I'm going to be finishing the under eye. Going in back with He Devil and Cayenne. I'm going to blend those two colors in and apply right underneath the lash line. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe R12, which is my favorite fan brush. I'm going in with my favorite highlighter, which is Gilded Honey by Laura Geller. This is my favorite highlighter. A little bit of your Cupid's bow, a little bit of the chin, a little bit of the forehead. Lips, I'm going to be going in with the liner Dusty Rose. This is a liner by Italia. So I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. On top of that lip liner, I'm going to go in with this liquid lipstick. And this is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. It smells so good. Oh shoot, did I put some on my nose? It smells so freaking delicious. I want to eat it. I'm taking another Morphe lip brush. This is the B19. I'm going to go ahead and just blend that out. The regular Fix Plus, this is a lavender scented one, and I just spray that all over my face. And that completes the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.